guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today, and today I would love to talk to you about essential oils, about the ways that we can use them. There are like tons of different ways, but I think when you're just starting, you're learning, and do you want to find what works best for you, my favorite routine, I'm going to just share it with you here, is to have that morning ritual. It might be just one ritual throughout the day, so you don't feel like overwhelmed like with when should I use it at a bad time during the day, in the morning, so morning is good because in the morning I do need some kind of a boost, something that would help me throughout the day, something that would make me feel even relaxed, will wake me up and just make me feel good, energized, like ready to conquer the day. So my preference in the morning, very important for me. I cannot, when my alarm rings, I can't just stand up. I know some people suggest it, but I know that I should probably make my alarm like 15 minutes earlier, and I have that 15 minutes to stretch myself, do a little massage on my face for that lymphatic drainage, and just set up myself, put myself together 15 minutes, and then I stand up. Now, you know that I love the dry brushing technique. You can watch my video about that. So that what I would do before I'm gonna step into the shower. So after the dry brushing, you do need a shower, and you could pick up your favorite essential oil, and you could use 2 drops of 100% essential oil. I would suggest oils like tea tree oil or eucalyptus oil. So you take those 2 drops, like 1-2 drops, and when you're in the shower, the water is coming at you, you put here, in your nostrils and also along your collarbone. And now I would suggest you to dilute the blend with carrier oil when you put it on your face, but collarbone could be just done straight. So you put it like this, it's just a little bit, and you will feel that with the water, with the steam, this essential oil would work better. You will have like a better aromatherapy session. You could of course use your favorite decongesting blend or something for breathing. And now you need to stand facing the shower head and let the steam fill your lungs as you do 5 deep breaths. So that would be your slow breathing inhalation. And for me, it does several things. It helps you to slow down in the morning, like 5 deep breaths. Now it helps you to inhale the oils better, and it also opens your airways, and it's very good. Your breath is important for your optimal health. There's a little advice I could give you, like to make the effects even deeper from that inhalation. When you exhale with a whispered sound like that. So like this. That will also help you to decongest the vocal cords. It's important for people who are talking a lot throughout the days, or maybe have very important speech to give. Now, you could of course, instead of using decongesting oils, you could use maybe energy oils or maybe lavender. By the way essential oils work, if you say have some relaxing essential oil in the morning, it will give its effect right at that time. So it's like that. It's a little time release effect, so to say. Now, what is very important is, of course, you took a shower and all that. After the shower, your skin, it's all heated, it's moistured, it's like the best to give it all kind of nutrients. So I love to make my own body oils. I always try to use coconut oil is the best. Jojoba oil is perfect. Grapeseed oil as well. So once you dampen it a little bit with a towel, don't just try to scrub it and make it completely dry. No, your skin will get more moisture from whatever you're applying on it when it's a little bit damp. A lot of people are a little scared of using oils because of the oily feeling, but if you use fractionated coconut oil, it will not have that oiliness, and you don't need to just pour oil on yourself, just use a little bit. And because your skin is not completely dry, it will really distribute evenly and nicely, so you won't need to use a lot of the product. Another option, if you would not maybe want to make your own blend, or you want to experiment, see what you like better, how your body responds, right, your chemistry, you could just use 1 or 2 drops of 100% essential oil in a little bit of jojoba oil and you just warm it up in your hands, and then you use it along your body. I would definitely suggest to apply it a little bit on your collarbone again and on your armpits. You could use it before using deodorant or just as a deodorant. I love using ylang ylang oil. In my opinion, it works the best as a deodorant. It really eliminates odor, and even in hot summer times. Of course, everybody is different, but I do rely on that when I have a video of how to prepare that easy deodorant. And so what it will also do, it will send the healing oils into your lymphatic system as well. We shouldn't forget that we could use the same technique, the same oils for our feet as a natural feet deodorant. But we need to apply it between the toes. Do not apply it to the soles of your feet, because that is not an absorbing area. So this is a very simple routine you could try in the morning, and it takes virtually no time. So all you need to do is just to prepare the carrier oil and the oils in the bathroom, like in the evening ahead, or just store it there. Maybe you have a little container, because bathrooms might be a little hot for storage essential oils. You just take it with you, and you really open up the airways, you breathe in, you apply healing and nourishing oils on your body, and you're ready to go. You're pretty much not changing anything. You still apply some lotion on your body after the shower, you still take the shower and all that. So if you say, for example, you're not taking shower in the morning, you're an evening shower person, you could do exactly the same thing. You could use relaxing oils, like lavender oil, for example. Clary sage is my favorite for women especially, and you could use exactly the same thing, but you will do this deep breaths, and you will relax yourself before bedtime. So I hope, guys, this very simple routine and technique is something that you might be using. If you have any other routine that you are incorporating essential oils into your daily life, together, so to say, with all the steps you're taking throughout the day, I think we will be very excited to learn about that. So please share. If you guys like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck with using essential oils. Always be cautious about using essential oils. They do have some contradictions, and like pregnant women, kids before 6. So make sure you know about that. Make sure you don't overdo essential oils. Ventilate the area. For example, if you're using oils in the bathtub, make sure it will be ventilated, because the smell, the aroma, it will stay there, for other people who will come along. So, if you're not living alone. Okay, guys, enough with talking. You got the idea. I wish you all the best. Thank you for your support and attention. I read all your comments. I love reading your comments. So don't be shy, say something. And I'll see you later. Bye.